Okay, so the thing I'd like to present is an oscillating circuit, and basically you sort of saw it in action there. So basically what's happening is that electricity is at a time frequency determined by this setting. So this sets the frequency to the highest, this to the lowest, and stuff like that. So here it'll be always on, at the other end always off. It turns on and off this component here, which is an electromagnet, or a solenoid as we've been introduced to it, and it magnetizes this. And the magnets here are basically dancing around as when the circuit is fully on, as I'll demonstrate now. The magnets are repelled by it, and thus basically every time the circuit turns on, the magnets get repelled, so they move away, and then it turns off, so they come back because it's an iron nail. So I'm going to delve into a little bit of the details of what each component does basically in this circuit. I don't understand technically everything about the circuit. I know a couple of these components. I've never seen all of them. Definitely don't know how those capacitors do anything, but either way. So what you've got here is a transistor, and basically it sort of checks if the current here, the circuit here is completed, then the circuit through here will also be completed, sort of, yeah. And this does something similar. I'm not sure what the difference is, but there is one technical one. I think it's got to do with the charge of the circuit here, but that I can't tell. And this component here, which is the main component, because it does turn it on and off, it's what makes the ticking noise. If you hear the thing here, you'll see that the arm is sort of moving, and what that is also an electromagnet. So basically, when this current through from here to here, the electromagnet moves the arm in, I'd like to believe, yeah, in. And when it's in, the current here, this green switch here, you see, moves to here, completing the current from here to here. But when it's off, the arm moves away, and that opens up the circuit, making it incomplete. And basically the ticking of this due to the completion of the circuit from here, which owes its completion to this and a couple of the weirdnesses of these capacitors, basically makes this tick, makes the magnet go on and off, and gives you that weird vibrating effect I showed you for the first 20 seconds.